Sometimes an off-the-shelf temperature control system isn't the best solution for your specific process needs, usually because you require safe, reliable performance above what those systems can deliver. Typically, the need for a custom system is driven by a variety of factors, such as space constraints, existing utilities, interconnecting piping available for use, corporate plant specifications, or the simple demand that a process requires tight and accurate temperature control. Other times, it is simply driven by the desire to have safe, reliable performance and the peace of mind that a custom-designed system will meet the factors that are most important to you. Heat has specialized in engineering and fabricating custom process temperature control equipment from the beginning. We have the process knowledge and experience to help guide our customers to the best solution for each unique situation. Our custom-engineered systems offer you a solution that is precisely designed and sized to fit your application. Our customizations have virtually endless possibilities, giving you the ability to choose the features you need for your process. Heat's experts will guide you down the best path as we work with you to design your system and make the customizations you need. From everything like heater orientation to spare pump designs, multiple heaters, control panel location, to any other specific requirements you need for your temperature control system. Heat has experience designing temperature control units used for nearly every industry in the world. Let us help you design a system that will serve safely and reliably for decades. Heat. Safe, reliable performance.